So this is a motor that came on. He just bought this and he doesn't want to start. That bypass line is off and probably has been that way for a while. That probably wouldn't make it start. That's a start wire right there, so that's probably not helping it much. And I guess that's a trim relay right there. That's the other trim relay. Does it trim up? Keep on going. That's good. But here's why I have a hard time believing this was a running motor. Every prop turns this direction, and in turning in that direction you'd be going backwards. So go ahead and put it in forward so that linkage is correct. And if you're going in with it in the gear shifter in forward, the prop will be turning like that, pushing the boat backwards. And that nut is just barely on. Unless he's just swapped props out, it probably didn't run very well with that prop on there. So now we're going to start it up and attempt to start it up, see what's going on. But I just wanted to point out the reverse rotation prop.